Good morning. Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com, New Jersey and the Northern Mid-Atlantic region's weather news portal. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this is our Monday, September 26, 2011 video forecast discussion. Let's start things out this morning with a general large overview. Areas here along this dotted line, general areas for thunderstorms during today. Frontal boundary off the New Jersey and Mid-Atlantic coast. It's well off the coast now, and there's still some precipitation along this frontal boundary. Tropical moisture, very heavy rain across near Florida, off Florida. Lightning strikes here, old frontal boundary here. And today's got a lot more sunshine, still high pressure trying to build in across the Great Lakes area and northern New York and parts of the area. So we're expecting high cloudiness today, but still a lot of sunshine, more so than yesterday, as we mentioned in the video yesterday. Temperatures quite uniform, anywhere from the mid-60s to the upper 70s, anywhere along the eastern seaboard, and then back towards Ohio. And then where it's raining, temperatures there are back into the 50s, and plenty of rain with this upper level low, which is now cut off completely. It's occluded, actually. That means cold air, drier air wrapping into it, into the system. So it's a lot of cold air. These are gale warnings here on Lake Michigan. And we have temperatures now getting back into the 40s and 50s across the Midwest, and also into the deep south of Oklahoma, and also the northwest panhandle of Texas. So our latest satellite GOES East visible image late this morning shows breaks in the overcast across northern New Jersey with some filtered sunshine, but there is quite a lot of high and mid-level clouds here. These are bigger clouds here. These are cloud tops that are deeper, so mostly cloudy here south of the ocean off the Delmarva. And this is our upper level low, our frontal structure way back to the northwest of the Great Lakes. And from our water vapor imagery, you can see the cloudiness here and the higher cloud tops offshore. Some breaks with the high clouds across northern New Jersey, the New York City metropolitan area, but generally not a bad day at all. Temperatures in the 70s. A little bit of a break in between as high pressure tries to dry out the mid and lower levels of the atmosphere. This is the water vapor imagery. And here we find our frontal boundary with a lot of rain and showers and thunderstorms all along it. It's a very dry air wrapping around here on the west side of this as the upper low begins to occlude, but it's still sitting back over the Great Lakes. Again, not anticipating any rainfall today. Some showers, some rain all across well offshore associated with the frontal boundary, and also just to our west, showers and thunderstorms streaming north, south to north ahead of that occluded upper level low. See that very well defined in the base reflectivity composite here. Look at the upper level low across the Great Lakes. Lots of training rain and thunderstorms, lots of watch boxes out in this area during today, and not much action along the mid-Atlantic coast. So again, surface analysis, upper low occluding now over the Great Lakes, lots of showers and thunderstorms in this area. And also our nearly stationary frontal boundary weakening off the mid-Atlantic coast, but still a stream, a plume of moisture, at least middle and high level clouds, weak high pressure in the upper level confluence here over the southeastern Canada, and extending into southeastern New York State and northern New England. As we get further into the picture now for this afternoon, nearly stationary frontal boundary, not expecting much in the way of precipitation, maybe some light rain or drizzle here around the outer banks of the Carolinas. Lots of rain showers and thunderstorms here, occluded upper low, still swinging back across Wisconsin and near the Great Lakes, not budging or moving too much. We're waiting for upstream things to begin to happen out here as low pressure and trough begins to deepen across the Aleutian Islands and the Gulf of Alaska. That's going to build the ridge here across the central part of the United States and help to kick out this deep upper level low as it gets closer to the area during tomorrow morning. As we get closer, low pressure area will develop along the front. We could get some rain around here, especially Tuesday night and early Thursday, as this system begins to weaken and fill in and begins to fall apart. Notice how the surface feature here on the upper level on the surface chart south of the Great Lakes is still over the Great Lakes, but weakening ever so slightly. And as we get into the period for Tuesday night, it's beginning to lift further north. Here comes the weakening front, areas of low pressure around it, some rain, perhaps getting into central and southern Pennsylvania. And we'll have to watch this onshore flow now. Maybe get some light rain and drizzle in here by Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. 6 to 10 day outlooks now, temperature wise, valid October 1st through the 5th, above normal average mean temperatures anywhere from the west coast all the way into the central upper plains, Great Plains, and southern plains. And then, of course, below normal with the deep trough expected to come through here later in the weekend. Getting into the precipitation, above normal in the means, as a general upper trough will be here with waves of short waves embedded in the flow. Below normal, of course, many portions of Texas and through Oklahoma and up back through the northern Great Plains as well. Slightly above normal in the southwest and also in the northwest as a result of that upper level trough beginning to move onshore with more precipitation. Finally, as we get into the 8 to 14 day outlooks, generally above normal temperatures anywhere from the northern plains all the way basically to the east coast. Precipitation wise, looking at the same thing, trough in the east, ridge in the central and southern plains, and above normal precipitation again occurring across the western and northwestern United States as low pressure develops in the Gulf and moves closer to this region. And unfortunately, I'm out of time today. I have a lot to do, so I'm going to get back to the forecast package during tonight or early on Tuesday morning. You make it a great day. Thanks for stopping by GardenStateWeather.com. I'm forecaster Robert Smith.